What's up, guys? How are we doing today? So, you're struggling with your trading journey. Well, I am going to tell you how to get out of that pain, get out of that struggle, because I've went through it myself, okay? So, guys, I've been trading for almost 2 years now. I don't really record much on this YouTube channel, but I'm trying to get back into it. I just recorded a video talking about my day trading journey. I'm going to sum it up. Long story short, I started trading crypto, got cooked, spent all my money making from the summer in crypto, lost it all in one bad trade, and had to build it back. I had to get a job to fund my trading when I got into prop firms in the fall, Q4 of 2025, and I got my first ever payout in February, and I've been getting consistent payouts ever since, but that doesn't mean I'm profitable. Yes, I was profitable last month, and I'm going to be profitable this month because your boy Jack just secured a $1,500 payout with Apex Trader Funding. I'm going to request that at the end of the day tomorrow. Can't wait to request it. I know they're going to take like 4 days. They're going to do some dumb stuff, but it is what it is. We still got our payout, and I'm working on some Tradeify Select accounts. And dude, it wasn't like this. One time I blew an account and I threw my phone and I broke the screen protector case. One time I stayed up all night trying to trade and I still lost my entire account. One time I deposited $200 into a live account when I was still in seventh. No. I was still 16 years old, deposited all my money into a live account, and I lost it. Deposited into trading meme coins. I made money off Trump coin. Donald Trump launched a meme coin. I made like $200, and then I lost it all the next day. Okay? I get it, bro. Trading's hard. You're going to lose money. You're going to blow accounts. I blew 20 funded accounts over spring break because this prop firm had a discount, and I had all this money because I had a payout, my first ever payout, lost all of it. Had to start back at square one again, get funded again, get payouts again. Dude, I get it more than anybody, okay? And I'm still on the come up. I'm still down here. All these guys who are getting 50K a month, 50K payout, 10K max payout with Lucid Trader Funding, they're all the way up here. I'm still down here, bro. I'm going to, $1,500 payout there, $600 payout there, and I'm still trying to, and I still know that this online money stuff isn't fake. It's so real, okay? You can make money off of your phone, clicking buttons, clicking buy or sell, selling stuff to customers, drop shipping, selling a mentorship, recording TikTok videos. Anybody can do it, and I don't know why you think that you can't, okay? All these successful people have gone through the struggle. They've gone through the shit. They've gone through the sweat, the tears, the blood, the crying, everything, bro. And you can't skip that, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Anybody who's getting into trading, you're gonna have to pay your tuition. What is that tuition? That's a shit ton of money, a shit ton of sleep that you lose out on, a shit ton of mental energy gone. But it's not wasted. It's not wasted, dude. It's all for your experience, okay? All these guys who are all profitable with anything, they've told you that, oh, I lost everything once. I don't have anything at all. I lost all my money and I had to find a way. I only had $20 left to my name and I made it work. You can make it work, bro. We are all people, God created us equally, okay? Yes, some of us have richer families. Some of us have poorer families. Some of us have access to these tools at a younger age. Some of us have gotten into trading when they were 12 years old and they're 18 and they're making 6 figures a month, okay? Some people got into trading when they're 18, had no money, lost it all so many times, and they're still unprofitable. But it's all possible. If some guy can do it over there, if this dude, if that dude can make it work, why can't you make it work, okay? And I'm not trying to say some motivational BS. I'm trying to actually inspire you. I'm trying to actually tell you that it's possible, dude, okay? I always wanted to make money online. I was one of those kids watching those Andrew Tate videos. Oh, this is how to be a alpha male and make money and, be a man. I watched all those videos, bro. I watched all these self-improvement videos and they helped, but the main thing that they did was inspire me. They kind of made me look in the bigger picture. They made me realize, hey, this stuff's possible, Yeah, going to college is great. Yeah, getting a job is great. But also, you can get a job. Instead of doing all this stuff, you could veer off the road and go this way and make money your own way. Live the life you want to live. The whole matrix shit, whatever you want to call it, it's real, dude. Like, people go to school, get in so much debt, and then they, buy a car, they have bills, rent, and they can't pay their bills. They're people, their monthly salary doesn't even cover their rent, so now they're getting in credit card debt, and then they don't have money. But what I'm doing is completely different than that. Yeah, I'm still going to college, okay? I'm not quitting everything to go all in on trading. Well, I'm already all in on trading because I know I've fallen in love with a process. So I don't care if I lose everything again. I don't care if it takes 1 year. I don't care if it takes 1 day. I don't care if it takes 10 years. I'm going to make this trading shit work out. And I'm recording these videos now because I want you guys to look back on the journey and to know it's possible. Okay? And I'm still in the come up phase, bro. Just wait. Just you wait. But look, I'm still going to community college. I have some friends going there. And I'm going to community college. And I'm going to go there, study, trade at night, try trade Asian session, and then sometimes I'll trade New York session, get on, get off, go to school, go to work, enjoy the rest of my day, spend time with my brothers, spend time with my sisters, my parents, because I'm blessed. I'm blessed to have these things in my life still, and that's why I'm trading. I'm not trading for I don't want the money for me. Yeah, I want it for me so I can provide for myself, but I also want money so I could go out to the store with my brothers and buy them shit. I want to be able to take my sister out and buy her some food, I want to be able to do these things because I want to be that cool older brother that, he's got his stuff together, Oh, he's just going to community college, oh, blah, blah, bro. Doesn't matter what you do for college, bro. Like, first of all, you got to take a risk. Yeah, if you want to be a doctor or a lawyer, you got to take a risk. You got to go to college. You got to get $200K in debt just to learn. And that's the same thing with trading. You got to pay that tuition fee. Okay, I've been telling you about your tuition fee. You got to pay that in trading. You're going to lose money, but it's all going to work out. My biggest tip for trading, no more motivation stuff. Now I'm going to get real. My biggest tips I would have to give you guys if you guys were trading, obviously learn how it works. This 14-year-old asked me, he's like, oh, I have nothing else. I need to trade. He doesn't have any money with him. He only has like a few $100, and he wants to pay me to mentor him. And I think that's great. I want to take his money, but I'm not going to because I don't want to take a kid's money who doesn't have anything else after that. He doesn't even know what TradingView is. He doesn't know how to trade demo. You got to learn how trading works. You got to learn what the markets are, why they move, what makes them move. Why does news affect the market? Why does liquidity affect the market? Why does fair pricing theory affect the market? All these things you need to learn, okay? If you want to be a doctor or if you want to be a lawyer, how the hell are you going to be a good lawyer if you don't study and if you don't know the rules? That's the thing with trading. You got to find the rules. You got to figure out why the market moves. Then come up with a strategy, okay? Some lawyers, they like to argue. They like to talk. Some lawyers are very quiet. Some lawyers do this. Some of them talk a certain way. Some of them use the reverse psychology. There's so many different strategies. When you trade, you got to find a strategy, okay? You can implement all these little strategies into one big strategy, kind of what I do. I don't trade based off one model, okay? That's awesome. I really love PB Blake's mech model. Take a look into that. But I also, I'll see a big volume candle up, and we're gonna, 6 p.m. open. We're gonna trade back into that. Okay, I'm gonna short on the next break of structure, the next inverse fair value gap. Oh, there's a breakout of this little consolidation range. Okay, we're gonna break it. Oh, manipulation. Okay, now we're gonna short. You gotta adjust to the market conditions. You gotta adjust. You gotta be able to know. Okay, the market. I'm in a long right now, but it's a reverse. Let me get out. Get out. Always better to take a small win or a small loss than a big loss. Okay, move your stops to break even. You gotta learn all this stuff, and it takes time. Okay, I've built my own kind of discretionary model strategy over the past 8 months of trading markets every single day. There hasn't been a day I haven't looked at TradingView. Maybe I didn't have a funded account to trade with, but I was still trading demo. I was still looking at this is a nice little setup. Oh, wait, this one's a good setup too, Or this little swing trade, this overnight swing trade play. Let's take this. Let's see how it goes. I've been looking and I've been working on this forever, okay? And you can do this too, okay? I'm making this video because I want to motivate you guys. I want you guys to get into it. I want you guys to dig deep, and I want you guys to follow along and fall in love with the process. If you're here, if you're trying to trade to make money, if you're only caring about the money, if you don't care about the process, if you don't care about the things that it will take to become successful, then you're not ready for trading. If you trade and you just take it kind of seriously, you got to take it seriously. Don't be on the charts all day. Don't be doing all this. Take your trade and get off, bro. I was done trading on my funded accounts 2 minutes into market open today. Made $1,700 on a funded account that I'm going to withdraw $1,500 tomorrow. Okay? I traded on my Tradeify accounts. I blew a Tradeify account that was almost passed. I don't care, bro. I just bought 2 more and I'm 1/3 of the way passing to them. You need to realize that money is not everything, bro. Money comes and goes. Time doesn't, okay? So spend your time focusing on building skills. It doesn't have to be trading. You could build skills doing other things. Also, if you're young, don't even worry about money, bro. Go enjoy your life. Go enjoy high school. Go enjoy college. Go enjoy all this stuff. You can worry about money later, bro. Money will always come later. But those few people who want it that bad and they're willing to do whatever it takes, go for it. You know who you are. And if you think you got what it takes, if you're actually cut out for it, and you know deep down in your mind if this is something for you and if it's not. And if you're that small percentage of people who know for a fact that trading is their only way out, go all in, bro. You only live once, bro. If you fail, we're young. If I lose everything, if I go in debt, I can make it work. I can go work. I can go pay off my debt. My parents, maybe they'll let me live with me. Oh, if I get kicked out, I can rent someplace. You can make it work, okay? If you want it bad enough, if you have that growth mindset, anything can be possible. And that's why I recorded this video. I don't care what happens. I'm recording this video. I'm trying to inspire people. So feel free to like the video, follow, subscribe. I'm telling you, bro, this is just a start of my journey, all right? I hope you like the setup. The quality's way better like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. And I'll see you on the next one. And hopefully this payout doesn't take more than a day. But I'm grateful anyways, bro. I'm grateful.